Hey guys, it's Ferdy, and in this video, I'm going to share to you basically my uh, comeback arc ultimate plan. So, as you all know from the previous video I've shown you guys, looking back to basically what we've achieved last year. So, we turned $1,000 to six figures, even more. I think, yeah, probably more. And these were some of the highlights, biggest PNLs that I did, and I do have some more, but it just hurts to pull them out. Um, they're just screenshots now, because some of them I didn't take profit, some of them I took profits and just gave it all back to the market. So, um, basically, all like a year of hard work and dedication, I lost it in a single quarter because of the tariffs. I couldn't adapt, and it was hard. It was hard trading the chop market, uncertainty. I didn't know. A lot of my friends advised me to just take a break for 3 months, 4 months, and come back maybe May or June when things settle. So a lot of them survived and they're happily trading now. And I'm here stuck trying to plan my comeback. So, not to worry. I do still believe, guys. I still think we can do this, and yeah, I still believe. We're gonna make it all back and a lot more. We're not starting from scratch. Basically, we're just starting with a little bit of capital and a whole lot of experience. And I think that's something. So, um, and we have a plan to run it back up turbo. I did some tests back in March. I tried breakout. So basically, the the best way to approach this is basically prop firms. Now, why prop firms? A lot of people doesn't like prop firms, but to me, I think prop firms are good because they have strict rules. You're basically trading other people's money. The prop firms, or before they take you to live account, they basically let you trade on a simulated account, but they still pay you out from the profits you make on that account as long as you uh, hit their rules and stay within their rules. You don't break any rules, and you just have to be very disciplined. And I did have a little bit of success with breakout. Um, I had a couple of um, payouts, but then I was just hurrying up. I was like in a hurry to make it all back and full ported everything, and then I blew up the account. So I'm starting another evaluation from them. So, why breakout? I think breakout is great. 24-hour payout window. They pay you in crypto. You can also pay crypto USDT to buy their account. So you could buy like 5K account, 100K account, and the profit splits like 90%. So, step one goal is basically you have to pass it, like the simulation, the test. You gotta make 10K on the one step account, and they do have rules. You can only lose 4K daily loss, and then maximum drawdown will be 6%. So, um, in your entirety of trading, you can only lose like 6,000. The best the best part on the breakout on the step one account, because the drawdown is static, it's not trailing. um, so yeah, these are the prices, and if you do plan to um, trade, or run up an account, you gotta join us. Links will be below for our Discord group, DXKA, and we have a referral code. If you wanna buy a breakout evaluation, use this code. Now that's for crypto, right? So with these accounts, I could trade altcoins, meme coins, only meme coins that are listed on big exchanges, all right? Like Popcat, with I'm gonna trade like Solana, XRP, Sui. So this is what I'm gonna do. Imagine if you have an account like 100K, and then you only you just trade like major resistance and supports and like key levels. No moonshots, right? You just aim for like 4 to 10% per month. That's like 4 to 10K per month using this account, and the profit splits like 90% guys. It's gonna be easy to make it all back, and have a little bit of momentum, gain my confidence back. So yeah, and also the leverage is stuck to 5x. So for BTC, the leverage is just 5x, and more discipline, not over leveraging. Just have to manage my size. So I think that's one of the best features here for using prop firm accounts. Because let's be honest, if you use your thousand bucks, it's gonna be so hard for you to flip that to like 5K, 10K, guys. It's gonna, believe me, I've tried. Um, it's so hard. Like last year, it took me a lot of times and so many failures, and but I just got lucky because of the momentum, and I got in early on a lot of stuff. So yeah, now that we're like basically at the top, it's gonna be so hard to run up like a 1K account, right? So we gotta use a bigger account, day trade, just aim for like 1 to 2% per day, like 500 to 300 or $1,000 per day using this account. Tight stop loss, manage risk. So yeah, that's my plan for this account. Um, Next one is futures. So I've actually been practicing a whole lot, trading gold, Nasdaq, and S&P 500. I'm not gonna lie, it has not been easy, guys. So basically, I've learned how the price moves. It's very different from crypto, and like the lot size and the contracts, trading hours, the models. It's so different, but so some of it correlates, and some of it it's like very the same in crypto. But I'm going to try and master the intraday trading for futures. I'm also gonna use prop firm accounts, especially this one from Apex, and I'm gonna try to get I'm gonna try to get um, one account first and pass that, and then master my model basically, and try to get consistent payouts throughout the months. And once I'm good with that, like I'm happy with the result, then I will scale up. Like you could get 20 accounts at this size. So uh, imagine that, guys. Imagine you have 20 accounts and you make like 500 to 1K per account per day. So that's a lot. You could copy trade everything. So that's why I'm this is part of my plan. So this one is for CFDs. It's still the same basically. It's just different that this one's for CME market and this one's for CFD cash. I'm still gonna be trading just gold, ES, and Nasdaq with these. Maybe a little bit of forex, but I'm not sure yet because I haven't touched forex side. But basically, the plan on these is just for swing accounts. For CFD, it's gonna be my swing account. I'm only gonna be trading this for 1 to 10, 1 to 5, 1 to 20 setups. Very high time frame, like weekly, daily setups for these accounts. I'm planning to get like a 200K. Best thing here, because if you pass this account, you get like a bonus, like a 3,000 payout just to pass the account, guys. And the profit target for this account's like 20K. If you make 20K on this account, you pass it, you get a profit share basically. And then like the drawdown is so far away, end of day two, it's not trailing, so it's nice. It's nice. I don't know if wait, I don't know if the drawdown here is end of day or static. But I gotta double check. You can trade news, profit split up to like 95%. They have minimum trading days, first withdrawal, and they basically refund your money if you pass the account. So that's very nice. So Uh, for CFD, this is funded next. I'm going to use this for my swing accounts. This one for intraday trading, Apex, uh, 20 accounts. So it's gonna be easier. Excuse me. All right. So yeah, the plan basically. Trade futures, 1 to 2 trades per day maximum. NQ, ES, Dow Jones, gold. Very easy. 1 to 3, 1 to 5 setups, max daily loss, and we'll only be trading liquidity sweep, retracements, SMT with breakers, and displacement. FVGs, ICTs type. This is for futures, and then for crypto, we're gonna be trading these ones, like what I've said before: Fibonacci, key levels, per lows, per highs, volume profile, daily levels, weekly levels, those stuff. And then for swing account, it's basically the same with futures, but just on a higher time frame. So I can hold trades overnight, over the weekend, higher time frame, throughout the week, maybe even more. So I asked Gemini to run the simulation, and like um, for futures, I asked him if I get 20 150K accounts, and I'm only gonna risk $500 per stop loss, and then target would be 1,000 to maybe like 750 to 1,000 per trade. 1:1.5 ratio, or 2 or 3. Just intraday trading, basically scalping. Maximum 2 trades per day. So here on the simulation, and even with a 55% win rate throughout the year, guys, you can still make around close close to 6 figure per account, and then times 20. That's huge, guys. That's like life changing. So um I think 55%, I mean 55% win rate is very hard, I would say, but for day trading, I think. But maybe if I lock in and just get base hits, if I make 500,000 per day, immediately close the account and just wait for another setup tomorrow. I don't force trades. If the price action like sucks, I just close the terminal and just wait for tomorrow. For crypto, I also ran a simulation. Same with this, close to like the 6 figures. So it's very nice. I think for breakout, I can only get like 2 account max. So I mean that's something, and that's huge, yes, for a year, for 1 year. And assuming you only have 55% win rate, and like you only take like one is to two setups, but with these you could like hold trades overnight, swing trades, so things could change. Same with for CFD accounts. I tried to put the parameters like 1:10 setups, and we're gonna be risking like 1,000 to 2,000 per trade, and aiming for 10 to 20. So average would be 15,000. Win rate is 55%, and it end up getting like 300K in 1 year if you have a 55% win rate with 4 trades per month only, guys. So that's huge, guys. If you get 4 trades per month, things could change. I mean, like, I think for swings you can only get like 1 to 2 trades, I think, per month. I'm not sure, but yeah, I'll try. So, this is it, guys. We have a plan. We have the tools already. We asked Gemini to run the simulation, and now we just need to execute, focus, and lock in, guys, and not fuck it up. So, hopefully, I'll be able to pass some accounts, and I do wanna document everything here on YouTube. So make sure to subscribe if you're new here. If you do want to join our Discord group, links will be down below if you want to trade with us. A lot of traders are there. Um, Everyone's trading and sharing ideas, all that, helping each other. So go check it out. And of course, lastly, we're not gonna forget about meme coins, right? So I still have a plan here. I still want to make it back because we started with leverage and meme coins, guys. So um, I'm gonna be taking out another maybe 5 to 10 from my spot account, and I'm just gonna flip fast. I think. So I think I'm gonna flip fast, hard, aiming for 1 to 2 per trade, aping like 10, 15k, 7k market caps until I run that port like to 20, 30, 50 soul. Then once I have that, I can size up to like majors or like major runners that, if you see a bunch of cabal wallets aping a meme coin, narrative news, and you see them aping hard at 1 to 5 M market caps, and like you just have that gut feeling that could be a 50 M runner, 100 M runner, and if you ape like 20 soul at 1 M and it goes to 50 M, that's like 50x your Solana, right? So we're still gonna be trenching, of course, but if I'm not trenching and there's no narrative, I'm not gonna be forcing trades anymore for meme coins because I've just been burned so much with this, guys. So yeah, that's the plan, guys. I mean, I did it with just $1,000 last year. I think with a little bit of luck, momentum, and confidence, I think we can do this. So that's it for this video. Make sure to subscribe. If you do have questions about the about breakout, don't worry. I'm go about this prop firm. I'm going to be making a video tutorial on how to trade with this platform. All right, so that is it. Thank you, and see you on the next video.